Checkpoints, dry runs sa mga defense ng munisipyo, defense ng police stations, and mutual reinforcement from one force to another. So, by and large, we are prepared. We are prepared for the elections. Nonetheless, we still continue in conducting a rehearsal on the plans. Baka meron din kami kumisan na as we rehearse it, minsan meron mga gaps na we continue to improve yung plan. Alalahanin nyo, hindi lang naman na yung mga criminals ang nahabol natin during election, pati na rin yung CNN nga, na interesado rin. So one thing, we continue to engage itong mga political candidates not to give in sa PTC or sa PTW. Huwag magbigay sa NPA. Yan ang isang advocacy together with the PNP. They have committed not to give, but then again, alam naman natin yung human weaknesses. We try to help them out one way or another. Kami na lang makakaalam nun kung paano yung sistema.